There's something magical about a rainbow. It appears like a secret unveiled by the sky just when the storm has passed and the sun dares to shine again. But what exactly is a rainbow? A divine sign? A scientific trick? Or maybe both? Throughout history, rainbows have stirred human imagination. The Norse believed it was Bifröst, a glowing bridge connecting Earth to the realm of the gods. In Greek myth, it was Iris, the goddess of the rainbow, who traveled between heaven and earth, delivering divine messages. In Aboriginal Australian legends, the rainbow serpent was a creator spirit, shaping the land and its rivers. Even in the Bible, the rainbow is sacred as symbol of God's promise to Noah that the earth would never again be destroyed by flood. In each culture, the rainbow wasn't just a pretty arc in the sky. It was a message, a mystery, a moment of connection between the mortal and the divine. But the story doesn't end there. As our understanding of nature evolved, the mystery took on a new form, not less magical, but differently so. A rainbow, in scientific terms, is a meteorological phenomenon. It forms when sunlight enters raindrops in the atmosphere, bending and reflecting inside them. Each droplet acts like a miniature prism, splitting white light into a spectrum of colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. The angle matters. Rainbows are always seen at an angle of 42 degrees from the direction opposite the sun. That means when you see a rainbow, you're seeing light that has bounced around inside millions of water droplets, and only those at the right angle send that specific color back to your eyes. So yes, science has explained the how behind rainbows. But does that explanation strip it of its magic? Not at all. In fact, understanding nature often deepens the wonder, because here's the thing: a rainbow isn't a physical object you can touch. It doesn't exist in a specific location. It's an optical illusion, a personal, subjective experience. The rainbow you see is not the same rainbow someone standing a few feet away sees. That's right, your rainbow is yours alone. This is where science meets something deeper. A rainbow teaches us that beauty depends on perspective. The light was always there, the storm was always part of the story. But it's the angle you view it from that makes the difference. Isn't that just like life? Myths gave us stories to interpret what we couldn't understand. Science gives us tools to uncover the truth behind those stories, but in both, there's awe. The rainbow stands at the intersection of ancient belief and modern knowledge, of storm and sun, of destruction and hope, and over time, the rainbow became even more symbolic. It came to represent diversity, inclusion, and hope. In modern times, it's used as a flag of pride, a symbol of unity in difference, many colors forming one arc, from ancient gods to prisms, from folklore to physics. The rainbow continues to remind us of something essential. After every storm, beauty is possible. And sometimes, you need just the right perspective to see it. So, the next time you spot a rainbow, pause. Think of the myths, think of the science. But more importantly, think of your own angle. What storms have you been through? What light are you letting in? Because that spectrum of color, it might just be your own story, shining back at you.